Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, you know it's all about the coffee at our house, and I'm going to be putting together our coffee bar just in time for the holidays. Thank you, SHEIN HOME, for helping us make this coffee cabinet look amazing. If you want to shop my picks, search my code 6VCWZ on SHEIN. You're going to enter a page filled with all items that are under $1. You can find more of the latest SHEIN Home products by searching SHEIN Home online. We're going to start this makeover by removing all of the items that are in our coffee cabinet. We've had some items in here that we just really need to get rid of. We had boxes and packages and all types of things that I actually ended up just combining and condensing some things. We ended up throwing away some things that were just not good for this space. We moved the mugs because they were just not convenient. Again, when I removed everything, here we are just now taking an inventory of what is left to be removed. And then really I want to go in and clean, give everything a nice once over in this space. I really do love coffee. It's one of the things that I love. Jackson loves tea. And when I have people over at the house to visit, coffee is a staple. So I try to keep this area nice and neat and tidy. Sometimes it stays that way. Other times it does not. But, you know, nothing like a Saturday morning when I can go through and take out some of the stuff I haven't used in years. And, you know I paid money for things, but if I haven't used stuff in a long time, it means that it's really not important to me and I need to get rid of it. So I'm going to make this space to where I want to come in and use it all the time. That just means that I'm going to be removing all of the things. And again, like I said, combining, condensing, and I was able to do that with the help of SHEIN. Here I am trying to figure out why this is in my cabinet, and actually it's been in there a long time. That was one of those things that actually got thrown away. Again, to shop my picks, you can search my code 6VCWZ on the SHEIN homepage. Put that code into the search box and it will pull up the picks that I have. Don't forget that it's about to be Black Friday, or you can get some SHEIN deals on Cyber Monday. They have some sales going on and we want you to be able to get all of the sales. So check out all of those things. Now, Jackson is my tea drinker and we have a lot of tea. And so I wanted to make sure that I kept all of the teas that he liked, but we did have some that needed to go. They were not being consumed, or we've just had them for a very long time. And again, I like to make sure that I don't have a lot of boxes and bins. I probably need like a tea bag holder type thing. And I'll have to look at seeing if I can get one. Maybe I can find one somewhere like Marshall's or Home Goods or somewhere. Maybe Amazon. I'll just order one on Amazon. I tend to have things just in all kinds of places. That was a bin that I've had for several years, and I just put tea bags in it. It works great as a little storage container, but now I'm making sure I got everything out. I'm going to come back in with some Clorox wipes to make sure that we just get all of the coffee up, because my kids make coffee in here. Sometimes they're not as careful. And then with using a drip coffee maker, which is what I use most of the time, that coffee just drips down. The cups are short and it just tends to have a natural splash. It goes up the side of the, the cabinet. I do at some point want to close in the back of this cabinet. I have not had a chance to do that yet. So I think probably during this holiday season, during the winter time, when I'm not going out as much, that'll give me time to do some of those, projects that I've been kind of putting off. There was a lot of, coffee debris and different things in here. So I was really trying to give that a nice scrub. I'm actually going to be replacing these on the doors. That fabric is a nice fabric, but it is old. and I just want to replace it. I really would like to put some plexiglass in there, but I'm trying to find some thin from Amazon. At this point, I just haven't found what I like, but I'm just trying to just make it clean, getting up all of the coffee grounds. Sometimes I don't have pods, and when I don't have pods, we'll use just the regular coffee grounds in the little coffee grounds cup thing. And so, of course, it just gets spilled, and the kids don't, they don't take time to make sure that they clean well. So I was just cleaning that up pretty decently. Now, I do use my coffee pot when I have guests coming over. And so here's where we get into our Shein items that I got. Again, don't forget to search my code. I got this cute little coffee filter holder. Really love that. Love the black. It came in 3 pieces. It has the bottom part, then the top, and it has a little ball coffee on the top of the coffee lid that you screw into the top of the lid. And I think I put that next to the big coffee pot because there are times when we do use that, and that does take coffee filters. I don't want to have the coffee filters just out in the cabinet anymore. And I love the fact that I now have something to house the coffee filters in. So that really made a huge difference, and it was very cutesy to be able to put right beside the coffee, the big coffee pot. Again, I don't use the coffee pot a ton, but I do love clean, crisp, classic lines. I got a couple more pieces from there, but I'm still having to go through all of the items on this table. Some things are staying, some things are not staying. Now, this next piece I got is actually a book holder, but I'm using it to hold in my coffee pods, the ones I'm using at the moment. And sitting it on its side, I was able to get a ton of pods in there. I had found some coffee on sale at Food Lion, and so I just picked up a couple of pods, and I'm just storing them in there. I originally thought that I was going to have that sitting on top of the, right beside the drip coffee maker, but I didn't love it there, so I actually rehoused it or relocated it in a different place. I also got this coffee mat. It says coffee bar, and it is really wide, and it covers almost the full cabinet. It is easy to wipe off. You can rinse it in the sink. It's easy to clean, and you just let it air dry. So that would be for all of those coffee drips and spills. I was trying to make it so that if I needed to do any maintenance and cleaning, I would just be able to take the whole thing over to the sink. And then I got these cutesy little spoons. So this is a 5-piece spoon set. I got it in the gold. Even though I got the clear holder, the spoons are gold. See, I'm moving those coffee pots. I like it better down there. And those spoons, I really got those for guests. When they come, you just want to add in your creamer or your sugar or whatever, and just give that a little stir. And I'm just putting back some of the things that I will continue to use in this space. My sugar-free caramel sauce. I really love that little coffee filter holder. And here it is. We're just making a cup of coffee. I feel blessed. Again, thank you to Shein for providing some of these items for us. Don't forget to search my code on their website, and you can find my picks. But then I got this idea. When I get up in the morning, sometimes I don't want to turn on the big light. So I went to Walmart and found some puck lights that I was able to add in. And so here is the finished coffee cabinet look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.